As with all things, we lead with education. We found that we're not taught about this stuff in school, and so it would be a disservice to our clients if we were to just tell them what to do rather than showing them why we're making this particular recommendation. And so, leading with education is always top of mind when we're having these meetings with our clients, particularly because estate planning has lots of myths involved. There's a lot of things that clients don't know about estate planning, or they assume estate planning is not for them because they may not have enough assets, or they may not have children, and so on and so forth. And so leading with education is definitely number one. We also leverage Trust and Will's resources. They have an extensive library of resources that we use to really just open up that door to educate clients, whether it's blog posts or whether it's, the PDFs that kind of show what makes up a comprehensive estate plan. Like, these are things that we're using on a daily basis. And we also send those documents over to clients after that intro meeting because a lot of times they may need something tangible to review.